So with our driver's side, we know it's the shorter end. Feed that through. And bolt that down using the marks. So we'll do the same with the passenger side. Feed the cable through, position it into the right spot as we've marked out earlier. So back to the handle here, we can feed the cables into position so we can reattach it. So we'll just start on the passenger side, which I recall is the outermost position. Not sure if it matters too much. There's that. Get the other side in. There's the other one from the driver's side. Put that in. There we go. There's that. Now we've just got to press these rubber ends. There you go. That looks to be quite secure. Seems to latch and unlatch. So at this point we can start putting back some of the trim. We've just confirmed that the latch mechanism work well. So just showing you here with the new latch mechanism in place with the limiter mod that we've added in. Just about to pull the handle. And that shows that unlatching there, which is exactly what we want to see. So we'll start by putting these other side panels back on. With the tailgate up, we'll start by putting this top trim back on. So they're just held on by clips. Point. Press those back in. With the top trim in place, we've just got to put this Phillips head screw back in place. At this point, we can put this rear cover back on. So again, that just clips back into place. There's no screws or anything, so line it all up and press back in place. All seems to be secure. So all we've got to do now is put the handle back in place. Something I didn't mention earlier was this cover here. I must have taken off on earlier trials. Sit that in place. And here's our cover. So just to show you that it's all been repaired. Opens. Securely latched. So this should last many years. I hope this video has been helpful for you whether you are replacing your tailgate or wanting to find out why the latch mechanism is failing and how you can resolve it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.